Hello, dears. Together we will learn how to make a wonderful natural home remedy, which in my opinion is better than antibiotics. Antibiotics only treat bacteria and do not attack yeast, parasites, viruses, fungi, or mold. After trying it, I believe that this natural remedy is superior to what traditional antibiotics can do and at the same time avoids their side effects. In addition to this home remedy, we advise you to take it when the first symptoms of the disease appear and do everything possible to reduce stress. If you do not treat some of the things that weaken your immune system, such as stress, this remedy may lose some of its effectiveness. But do not worry, it will not lose much. This home remedy helps eliminate bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Because it contains effective natural substances that allow it to do so. So what do we need to make this remedy? Just garlic and olive oil. Yes, just 2 ingredients. But by following the method we will see later, we will make a super effective antibiotic. And before that, we will discuss some of the benefits of garlic and olive oil. First, to benefit from the various health benefits of garlic, you should start adding it to your meals, as it contains several types of wonderful phytonutrients. The potential benefits of garlic include increased stamina, antimicrobial properties, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, antiparasitic, respiratory support, may reduce coughing, help a person breathe easier, and reduce the duration of lung infections, reduced inflammation, especially for arthritis, anti-cancer properties, cardiovascular support, reduced risk of stroke, lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol, immune support, reduced duration of infection and kills pathogens, digestive support, detoxification support, bone support. Now we move on to the most important health benefits of garlic olives. It protects the heart and has an effect in lowering blood pressure. It has an anti-cancer effect. It considered as a nerve protector, an anti-inflammatory. It can act as a pain reliever. It has an antimicrobial effect. It may maintain healthy blood sugar and insulin levels. It has an anti-arthritic effect. It can help treat prostate enlargement. It may help balance cholesterol. It contains good amounts of vitamin E. After we learn some of the benefits of garlic and olive oil, we move on to the method of preparing the effective treatment, which is considered one of the strongest and best antibiotics, which is garlic fermented with olive oil. We need a glass jar with a lid that prevents air from entering after closing it. We need an amount of garlic equal to half the jar, and we need an amount of original olive oil equal to 3/4 of the jar, preferably virgin olive oil, of course. Preparation method. We wash the jar well, then sterilize it and leave it until it dries completely from the water. We peel the garlic, then wash it well and leave it until it dries completely from the water. We crush all the garlic and leave it to react with the air for 20 minutes in order to form the most powerful active compound, which is allicin. After 20 minutes, we put the crushed garlic in the jar, then pour olive oil over it until the garlic is completely covered. We close the jar and put it in a dark place with a moderate temperature, not exceeding 28 degrees Celsius. The next day, we notice the beginning of the appearance of gas bubbles, which is evidence of the beginning of the activity of beneficial bacteria. We must open the jar at least once every day to allow the gases to escape. We leave our work for 5 weeks. After that, we notice a calm in the activity of the bubbles, which is evidence that our work has been completed and is ready for use when necessary and needed. The jar is kept in a dark place and at a moderate temperature. When following the previous steps to prepare this treatment, it can last for years and it spoils, and the more it ages, the more its benefits increase. Benefits of fermented garlic with olive oil. Supports immunity. Indians used garlic oil in the past to treat many medical conditions, such as colds, fever, and cough, due to its anti-inflammatory properties and some vitamins such as vitamin B1, B6, C, B6, iron, phosphorus, and allicin. Relieve toothache. Allicin in garlic relieves toothache. Treatment of ear infections. It is one of the most important benefits of garlic soaked in olive oil, and one of the most famous traditional treatments, as garlic contains antibacterial and antiseptic properties that treat ear infections and relieve pain as well. Preventing hair loss. Garlic oil is rich in important elements for nourishing hair, such as sulfur, vitamin E, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and vitamin B1. It not only works to prevent hair loss and damage, but also works to strengthen hair roots and follicles. Using garlic oil regularly improves blood flow to the scalp, which leads to improving hair health and preventing hair loss and breakage. I hope this video is useful and beneficial to you. And if you are not subscribed to our channel, please honor us by subscribing and liking it.